Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can create a Facebook post on Adobe Express. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do, we have to open the Google Chrome, and after opening the Google Chrome, we have to open the Adobe Express. So as you can see, I've already opened it. Now simply we have to click on the Facebook post. So let's click on this. And after clicking on this, as you can see, you are going to get a lot of template here. Now you have to select the template, that which template you want to use. So I'm going to select the template. I'm going to choose the template. For example, I want to use this one. So let's click on this. And after clicking on this, as you can see, it will be inserted in the main board. Now if you want to make changes in them, you can also do that. For example, I'm going to click on this one, new open over. So if you want to change this, like the opacity, pass through, all the options are provided here. If you are going to click on this, I'm going to click on this. Now as you can see, if you click on the text, you can control the text as well. Like if you want to change these text style, font, opacity, effects, shadow, and all options are provided here. You can control and you can edit these all text. I'm going to click on the image section, and after clicking on the image section, as you can see, if you want to replace the image, you can also do that. So in this way, you can create a Facebook post on Adobe Express. I hope you guys understand this video. So see you guys in the next video.